In this video, we're going to look at internal and external angles. Now, one of the handiest things you can remember when it comes to internal and external angles is that the external angles are equal to 360, because that is the shape that is made when you think of going round a shape, and that is divided by the number of sides. So in this case here, it's asking us for the interior angle. But if we think about the fact that the exterior angle, which is formed by extending the lines, okay, it forms a straight line with the interior angle. So in that case, if we know it's a pentagon, and sometimes they don't give us the shape, they just give us the name. So we need to know the pentagon has got 5 sides, as we've got here. We're taking 360 degrees. And we are dividing it by 5 to work out what this angle is here. So 5 doesn't go into 3, but it does go into 36, and that goes in 7 times with 1 left over, and 5 goes into 10 twice, so that gives us 72 degrees on the outside. Now we should know that a straight line makes 180 degrees altogether, which means if I want to find out the internal angle is 180, take away 72, giving me 108 degrees for my x value. Moving on and putting this shape into a more complicated shape is giving us 3 identical pentagons adjoined as above, and it wants us to work out the size of angle y. We've just worked out that we've got 108 degrees on each internal part of our shape. That means we have formed a circle altogether when we look at y. So I need to add up 108 3 times, or I could multiply it 3 times. Okay, so that gives us a 4. That would carry the 2 over, and that would give us 324 degrees. It should add up to 360 altogether, so I'd need to say 360, take away 324 to work out the angle left over. So borrow to give, leaving with 5, that would give us 6, that gives us 3, so 36 degrees is the value for y. Going on and looking at our next type of question, we're looking at exterior angles. We already know there's 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. So if we've got a polygon with 24 sides, it means we've got 360 divided by 24. Use a calculator for this one. So 360 divided by 24 gives us 15. So 15 degrees in each of the corners. Exterior angle of regular polygon is 20 degrees. Work out the number of sides. So this time we have got something like this, but we're missing our bottom number. So this means we've got 360 divided by the sides is equal to 20 in this case. So in this case, we should remember that when we've got a value up here that we want to bring down there, and vice versa, we can switch these values. So we've used the skill before in algebra. So if we switch these values, we end up with 360 divided by 20. This is a non-calculator question, so you can use strategies such as the 0 in the top and the 0 above can be eliminated. 2 goes into 3 once, with 1 left over. 2 goes into 16 8 times, which means we've got an 18-sided shape. Similar for the one below, we've got each interior angle of a regular polygon is 174 degrees. Work out the number of sides of the polygon. So we need to imagine now we've got the side of the shape, and the inside angle is 174. We've got an exterior angle on the outside. We should know that adds up to 180 degrees. Remember, this isn't drawn to scale. which gives us 6 degrees on the outside. We can then put it into this up here where we've got 360. We've got the sides, and in this case we get an answer of 6. We are going to switch, as we did in the previous question, to give us 360 divided by 6. So 6 goes into 36 6 times, giving us a 60-sided shape. Always find it easier to go for the external angles first, knowing that it's a 180-degree relationship with the outside. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.